Today we woke up to something amazing. We had arrived at Royal Caribbean's private island, Perfect Day at Cococay. This island is exclusive to Royal Caribbean guests and packed with tropical vibes, fun, and adventure. Nana, say hi.
Nana, say hi to Daddy. Tell Nana to say hi.
Hi. Say hi, Ata. As we walked off the ship, we were greeted by Caribbean music, colorful dancers, and stunning views. Not to mention the towering water slides off in the distance.
Go, Ada.
They do have a tram that takes you around the island, but we decided to walk so we could take it all in. And we were also able to snap some great photos and videos along the way. Cococay is split into two zones, the thrill side and the chill side. You can find paid adventures like jet skis, zip lines, and the massive water park on the thrill side. But don't worry, there are plenty of free things to do too. Ooh, look, Noah and I think we could go through here. We started our day at Splashaway Bay, the perfect spot for families with kids. It has water playgrounds, mini slides, splash zones, and a shallow pool that's about 2 feet deep. Say hi, Sissy.
Say hi. Sissy, say cheese. He wants to go to the slide.
There were lifeguards posted all around the area, which definitely gave us a peace of mind. The kids had a blast here, and honestly they could have stayed all day if they had the chance to. had these gentle splash zones and interactive water features, which were perfect for toddlers and younger kids. Whether they were getting soaked or just dipping their toes in, there was something for every age. The music was upbeat, the vibe was energetic, and the smiles on the kids' faces said it all. Splashaway Bay was a hit. Honestly, it felt like its own mini water park, and the fact that it's included with your cruise makes it even better.
Good.
The water slides were just the right size for younger kids. Exciting, but not intimidating. And the best part, the area only has about 2 feet of water, so even our little ones felt confident playing freely.
I don't know which one's going on.
Eventually, we met up with the adults in our group who had claimed a great spot at Oasis Lagoon, the largest freshwater pool in the Caribbean. We found beach chairs and umbrellas nearby, and it was the perfect place to relax while the kids kept the fun going. Around the whole island, you'll find life jacket stations, which are super convenient. The kids built sand castles, splashed in the water, and even swam out to some floating mats in the middle of the lagoon, which of course became their pirate ships for the day.
Monai, come here. Monai.
You already in the water.
Monai, come here.
The kids had an absolute blast in the lagoon. They were building sandcastles right at the edge, then running into the pool to cool off. It was super family friendly, calm water, plenty of space, and just enough activity to keep them engaged without feeling too wild. After all of that swimming in sunshine, we were starving. We skipped breakfast this morning knowing we'd dive straight into the water, so lunch at Skipper's Grill was much needed. Skipper's Grill is one of the complimentary buffet spots on the island, and it's right next to the Oasis Lagoon, which was perfect for us. They had everything. Burgers, hot dogs, wings, tacos, sandwiches, and tons of fresh fruit and salad options. There were also stations with ice water and flavored water that helped keep us hydrated on such a hot day. It was the perfect reset before heading into the afternoon adventures.
It's okay.
In part 2, we head back to the ship to swim a little bit more, pack up our stuff, and just explore the cruise ship one last time before we get ready to head back home. You do not want to miss it. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on part 2.